Well, again, you went from owning an existing laundromat to building from
Mhm,
scratch.
mhm.
What are a few things that people should know before they get into that whole journey of building from the ground up? What are some key things that people should know or consider before they do that?
Well, I cheated. I married an engineer, so that
Oh, that is
helps.
cheating.
If you can, that works. But zoning, obviously, if there's first of all, if you look at your demographics, right, and when you find an area that you think is a good area, is it zoned appropriately? If it's not, then could you get the zoning changed easily? But on the other hand, there's probably a reason why it's not. I mean, maybe it used to be a residential area and it's slowly becoming more commercial.
Mhm, mhm,
Why is it not? Look, ask yourself the question: why is it not zoned commercial already? Okay,
mhm,
so utilities that are available, gas, electric, and water. You live or die by them.
mhm.
You
Yeah.
got to
Oh,
have the
yeah.
capabilities. Where's the
Right.
water coming from? Go to your city. We're lucky here in Wichita. You can go and look at the city utilities maps. You can see what side of the street does the water line run on, how big is it.
Mhm,
Look at your tap fees, look at your sewer fees, um, things like that. There's a small
mhm,
city near here that I hope changes their actually it's a mile from where we live right now that I hope changes, but to tap into their sewer is going to be about 10 times what it is in Wichita. I would love to have a little laundromat in this little town
yeah.
near us,
Absolutely.
but they'll never
Yeah.
have a laundromat unless they change those fees. So
Mhm.
we're going to have to work on them a little bit.
Yeah.
Um, so utilities, zoning. I had a list. Let me what was there something else? Location, demographics, um, your budget.
Mhm.
Budget
Right.
as much as you possibly can. Where's the money coming from? Do you have the
Mhm,
cash?
mhm,
Who's your lender? Does your lender know anything about laundromats? If they don't know anything about laundromats, can you educate them on it? I
mhm,
would not recommend to build for your very, very, very first one.
mhm.
You don't know what you don't know. There's so many things that you're not going to have a clue about. Makeup air, um,
Right.
uh, yeah, just so many things.
Yeah. 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 No, no,
How
that's
thick does your
great.
concrete need to be underneath when you pour your slab? Where your utilities coming down from your ceiling, that coming up
Mhm,
from the floor?
mhm.
Yeah, there's just so much
Yeah.
stuff. We're
Right.
actually in the middle of building our second one. I would say we have
Good.
1 2/3 laundromats now. And
Okay.
so had we took an existing building and we're
Mhm.
converting it into a laundromat,
Okay.
had we known then what we know now, we would have just scraped it and started over. So we're
Mm.
trying to put a square peg in a round hole.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay.
so
Is this one also in Wichita?
it's a former veterinary clinic, great big
Okay.
huge 8,300 square foot building.
Mhm.
But the front half is going to be a laundromat. So we are in the throes.
Okay, so you're busy. Absolutely.
It's fun. It is fun
Uh,
in a weird sort of way.